Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can do dark mode in your Google Chrome. So this is very advanced tutorial which is I'm going to showing you. This is new update of Google UI, and here I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode, light mode in your Google Chrome browser. So keep watching. In this video you will learn something new. So let's see on the computer how we can do that. So first of all, we are going to open our Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome browser, and here you can see this is my new layout of Google Chrome. So here we are going to add dark mode and light mode option we want to activate. So what we will do, simply first of all open new tab. So you will get some option which is very easily you can do that. So here you will get customize Chrome option which is available bottom right. So here you can see this is customize Chrome. So we are going to click on that and you will get more options. So right now you can see the customize Chrome option is showing over here, right panel, and here you will see the light mode. Now you can see this is my light mode option, and if you want to change the dark mode you simply click on this button. So what happened, you can see your page is converted into dark mode very easily. Okay, so now your page is converted with the dark mode. Okay, if you want to do light mode you simply click on this light mode, so your browser will change the light mode. Okay, and for example we are going to open some website and check it out how it will work. So here we are going to search Wikipedia. Okay, so whenever we type Wikipedia, and here you can see these things, we are going to click on this here and click on this again, click on this new tab and then customize it with the dark mode. And let's see, you can see all the things are dark mode but these things are not dark mode. Okay, for these things if you want to do the complete dark mode, I already created one video, we will show you over there and I will tag into the card so you can easily view that video and do the complete website with the dark mode. Okay, and there I am explaining all the things how you can enable and disable dark mode, so you can do that. So friend, this is the video which I want to share with you guys how you can do dark mode and light mode in your Google Chrome browser with UI update. And I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, this new update of Google UI. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.